fucking morning to the best traders in the motherfucking world. Y'all better believe it, because I believe it for you. You feel me? But anyway, look, it's another day. Still kind of on the same trading gap as yesterday's video, because we still have at least one of the accounts. God dang, it's hot. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, so we still have one of the accounts, which, I ain't gonna lie, guys, this hurts my heart looking at this. Look. This is what I see when I open the damn thing. The rule was broken. You can reset your account to get it. Shut the fuck up. And then when you go in here, you got all my 3 accounts. 1 is ineligible. 2 is ineligible. 1 is okay to trade. And then look, even go to the closing side. My 100K is closed out, ineligible. Which I'm thinking about purchasing again. I don't know. But this is the account that we still have. As you can see, we are $1,300 down. So that means we have about $650 to go to be able to lose. Today, I would only give myself the $300 limit. So let's write that on the board, man, just so, just so we can keep looking back and forth to keep me on track. You feel me? So, bed's still up. It's fine. I'm gonna wash some of the clothes today. Some of the covers. So it's fine. Anyways, look. Oh, by the way, we got our step-by-step on financial freedom here. I will be doing a video. Not sure exactly when it's gonna come, but it's gonna come soon. It's gonna be a step-by-step plan, my personal step-by-step plan on financial freedom, how to gain financial freedom. So that is what I'm going to erase now after I take a picture of it. And then get into my rules for this trading day. We got the motherfucking rules for today's market. Boom. Goal, $500. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. We're not going to do too crazy because we've been up $500 every single day that we fucking traded. At least I just go back and overtrade and revenge trade and do all that dumb shit. Max loss, $300. Because we only have about $650 left to be able to lose, I don't want to risk too much. So risk about half of it for today and still be able to trade tomorrow. Maybe even split that in half tomorrow, do a loss for like 150 max tomorrow. And, just be able to keep having the account for the rest of the week. With that being said, the starting account balance is negative $1,300. So yeah, we got to get that back, man. We got to get to break even. Notes for today as far as my person, my brain, my mental. Stay calm, stay disciplined. Don't go below $300 loss today. And the main goal, I just need to remember this myself personally, the main goal is to still have an account to trade with by the end of the week. Okay? Very simple, very straightforward, nothing too complex, and nothing overbearing. Goal is 500. I can do that in my sleep. Just got to play smart. Max loss, negative 300. Yeah, so, and, stay calm, stay disciplined. And just remember the overall objective, which is to remain trading, to keep the trading account for the rest of this week. If I can go a full, what would that be, like 2 weeks with trading accounts? No. That'd be like a full week, which I don't think I've done yet. Anyways, I'm probably rusty, crusty, just got out the shower, ain't even put no lotion on or nothing, but we finna jump into this market. And yeah, dive deep for a good hour, and then we gotta walk to work again. We might ask for a ride today. That's what we might do. All right, guys, this is what we have currently. So, as you guys will soon come to realize, I love to trade on the 5-minute. That's where I was pretty much brought into trading at, is the 5-minute chart. And we got a good level of support and resistance. And so far, it kind of looks like she's going towards this. So if you guys don't know, I'm obviously looking for a breakout. It's strong on the 15, pretty strong on the 30. I believe that it's doing a left head, possibly right shoulder area, and then going to the downside for at least probably until this area. This is how we're looking, boys. I'm waiting for the 680 something, and we'll take it. It's like somewhere up there, but you'll see. I'm waiting for 680 because then that'll put us up 500 for the day. That'll be our trade, and then we'll be done. Okay, this is where we at. Should I take it? Should I not? I don't know. Here we go. All right, boys, I'm not gonna lie. Look, I took it out early. There was no reason to take it out. I took it out early. I got $40 below where my goal was for the day. And really, I believe I could have made over $1,100 from that trade alone. That's why I had that take profit so low. And I'll show you guys why. It's been riding for a good long time, right? Here's the area where I said, yeah, it could come back and retest here. Look at this. It's engulfing that. So I believe it might want some super lows, maybe even as low as bring the market back down to its correction because it was dropping, right? It just went up, maybe for just a strong liquidity sweep on the 4 hour to then head to the downside. But this is this is something that has happened to me in the past. And I kind of just want to learn my lesson and go ahead and close out for the day. And I'll explain why here in a second. But thanks, Mamba. That was me learning Mamba strategy. Mixed with kind of Alex G's for the left head and right shoulder. But so this is why I'm going to choose to close out for the day. And I'll show you guys me doing that in person. Just so I know I can't, sneak and do shit any type of other way. Okay. So the reason that this is so kind of like crazy to me is because it's just history repeating itself. And as you guys can see, based on where I've led myself in the past, I'm here, still doing challenges, right? So let me just do the opposite. I'm always at a point where I could stop for the day and be happy and be close to my dreams. Oh, I didn't take the profit because it was $40 away from my take profit. So you decide to miss out on 90% of your take profit because it was $20, $40, $50 away from me? That just don't make sense to me. It never has. And regardless, I decided to go, listen to what everybody else is saying. Just take your full take profit. Don't touch it. Don't let it hit until just, And it hit me in the butt every time because you don't know when the market's gonna fucking turn. You don't know But what you can do is make sure you secure those fucking profits. So like if I wasn't able to get on the screen today and I was just like, oh my God, it's in profit. What can I do? What I would have done was this. I would have went to my minute. My stop loss was like up here somewhere. All I would have had to do was just trail it. Trail the stop loss. Every time a one candle closed, I would, boom, put it behind. Like halfway between because look, as you can see, this is the halfway point between this candle. Is there a wick that touches it? No. This is the halfway point. Is there a wick that touches it? No. This doesn't count. This is the halfway point. Is there a wick? No. Halfway point wick? No. Even here, this doesn't count. There is. So like it's a small chance that there is, but look, halfway doesn't have one. Halfway doesn't have one. The halfway point is kind of a good spot to put your trailing stop loss, is what I've learned. Based on like the 1 minute. I haven't really did it in the 5 because I usually just super scale on the 1. So that's a little bit behind, more in depth on the trading world of me. So this is usually what it looks like when I'm ecstatic, you know, like, oh gosh, let's go. Come on, baby, you know? And then I walk back over here and I'm like, now let's make 3 million more. And it just doesn't make any sense, right? I'm gonna show you guys right here, right now, that we are locking out for the day. Yes, lock me out. Boom. So now we cannot touch it, right? We cannot touch this computer. Well, we can touch the computer, but we cannot put in a trade. It won't let us. It's irreversible. It's an irreversible action. Even though I know it's finna retest a little bit. Wait, let me see what the 5 minutes looking like. No, it might not. It just might be creating a wick. It's only 1 minute into the 5 minute. Yeah, she's probably going back down. And the reason I say this is like not really off topic, but just like off of where I was trying to go. But you see this on the 1 minute, super, super strong bearish candle. And then you got a bullish candle, but it didn't engulf it, right? It couldn't even engulf the previous candle. So why would I believe in this buy right here? Why would I believe in it to retest something high or even create a higher high? Why would I believe in it to do that? It hasn't even showed me that it wants to retake back what it's lost previous. You see what I'm saying? It's struggling to engulf this candle with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles now. So no, I would not believe in the buy. I would kind of watch the market, wait for this to come up to its little bitty fun that it wants, and then I would go ahead and still proceed with the sell. Because again, if you go in the 5 minute, boom, you still have 2 more minutes left in the 5 minute candle. It has plenty of time to just, plenty of time. So this is where you want to put that patience bell on, and you just want to sit there and wait the game, you know what I'm saying, wait it out and let it show its hand. And then from then on is where you will strike. That's where a lot of us fail. Myself strongly included, like strong to the point where, yes, that is one of my flaws. Patience, revenge trading, and just overall, like, cockiness and, like, arrogance and fucking being too, like, oh, man, I know what it's going to do, put it in play. I'm not even focused on the entries. I'm not even focused on where the market could want to find liquidity sometimes. And it just gets to a negative fucking point as far as trading. And, yeah, that's dookie. But anyway, personal lockout. Y'all seen it here first. We locking out at pretty much $500 profit. I'm going to say $500 just for my heart. Because, again, I've been in this predicament and it's caused me to go back into drawdown because I'm like, $40, let me get that. And then I try to get it. It goes up to like 30, and then straight to like negative 100. And like already I've lost 100. I'm like, bro. So then you try to get that back because it was just a quick, we got what you got. And then you lose more. So it's just a negative cycle. Look. I be telling y'all what I know. It's not powerful enough to want that. But anyway, we're still out for the day. We're going to consider it a W, take the W, and yeah, leave the market with a smile, bro. When you could do that, you won regardless. When you could do that, leave the market with a smile, you won. So let's go to the board today. And man, we crushed it. We did it. I ain't gonna lie, there was a point in time where we went a little bit, where I was close to going over 300. And maybe I did for like a quick second. But regardless, I held, or I told myself I was gonna hold one of those. And we did, and boom, here we are, $500. Now, I wasn't gonna hold to like 400 or anything. Once I got to 400, close out. Because again, I only have $650 room on the account. Now, thanks to today's trading day and the goal hit of $500, we have like 1,000. So that's great. Account is back to 49,000. So we are only $1,000 in drawdown and $4,000 away from a funded account. I'll update y'all on the next shit. You know what I'm saying? I literally just pulled out this camera to show you motherfuckers that I'm the fucking GOAT. Look at this. Look at this. I literally called it. The last clip I called it. Look at this. It didn't want to hold. So I knew it was. That's what we fucking do, bro. See, I know the market like the back of my fucking head, dude. I just be overdoing it sometimes, man. Just be over. Look at this, bro. Literally called it. Literally. And let's see, actually, that we're here. Let's see. Look at this. Beautiful. Absolutely fucking beautiful. I could have had all that. And I literally called it out. Alex URAG. Left head, right shoulder. And reversal. Simple.